All right, at this very moment, we will be discussing about incorporating square root in physics. Because doing or finding square root in physics, na siya yung mga guidelines no or north stars depende kung kanus nato or unsa ang ato ang ginapangita nga value sa usa ka variable. If you could still recall, the answer of square root could be positive root or the negative root. Kanus maning duha nato magamit or kanus ata mag-focus lang sa positive root. Okay? So ito ng himay-himayon in this video about square root. But before we will be discussing further, we will try to recall the definition of square root itself. When we say square root, the symbol is this radical symbol. Okay? And the meaning is that, let's say, find the number when multiplied by itself will bring back the original number. What does it mean? For example, you will have square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5, meaning this is the number that we are trying to find. When multiplied by itself, it will, bring back the original number, which is 25. Okay? Multiplied by itself, it will bring back the original number. Okay? But uh, the answer of square root could be, again, I repeat, could be positive or negative root. Let's say, for example, x squared, and then you will have 25. When we get the square root of it, we can cancel the square root, and we have this x here, and the value of it could be positive or negative 5. Okay, but in case that we are looking at the magnitude of a variable, what root are we going to use? When we say magnitude, ang ginadescribe anang magnitude is length or unsa katasun, how long, distance kana. Pwede na to ibutang magnitude of a distance. So, kana sila, length and distance, di gyud na pwede mahimong negative. Walay negative distance. Ang nay negative, displacement, dili distance. So, length and distance, dili siya pwede mag-negative. So, ato ang answer pirmi, pag maka-encounter tag, kwaon na to ang magnitude sa ato ang displacement, no? Magnitude sa displacement. So, atong formula na is kaning ato ang, let's say, pananglitan lang. Let's say, change of x squared plus change of y or delta y squared. Ana man na. And ang atong makuha na answer ani, it should be positive. In accordance sa inyong math, if you could still recall, that's the principal square root, in which the answer should focus always to the positive root. Mo'y pirmi na to kwaon. Kaya ang principal square root, define na siya nga ang ginapangita na to is ang length, ang distance, or even the magnitude of a certain variable. So, puro yun na sila positive. So, our answer, let's say for example, ang atuang delta x kay 2, itong delta y kay negative 4, pwede rin na mag-negative because when we multiply negative by itself, may mo man ang positive. So we can have 2 times 2, 4 plus 4 plus 4 times 4 equals 16. Positive na. And then 4 plus 16, that's 20. Pilay square root sa 20 times sa palabanta sa tuang tool na mo calculate sa square root. So, square root of 20 natay 2 square root of 5, or if ato siyang i-decimal, no? So, we can have 4.47. Yeah, meters na kadalasan, no, kay length or magnitude. So, putangan na to meters dira. Ngun ana, atong gamiton ang positive pirmi. Kaya ang ginapangita na to, the magnitude. No? If ever sa atong problem puhon, you will encounter a task that will let you find the magnitude of the vector. Always follow or always use the positive root. Okay? Or the principal square root. Ang ato ang positive in having our answer. Okay? Ayaw gamitang negative. Kaya ang pagpangitaw na to ang magnitude, absolute value man gyud na siya. So, positive na pirmino kay kanang mga length, distance, or magnitude, it always carry the positive sign. Walay negative na length, walay negative na distance. Ano lang na displacement ang pwede mag-negative. But distance should always be positive. So, yun, ana. Okay, so for example, the problem wants you to find the displacement. I prepared a problem here. So, kani nga time, pwede ta mo gamit og negative root or positive root answer sa ato ang square root. No? Because in the problem, the task is to find the displacement, not the magnitude. Remember, pag magnitude gani ato ang pangitaon, no? Ang ato ang answer sa square root, we will always take the positive answer or the principal square root. Kay we are finding the magnitude. Always positive na sila. Pero this time, we are not finding the magnitude. Ang atong buhaton, we can select negative root ba tong answer or positive root ba tong answer. So let's try to study this problem first. Okay. A car starts at the origin, mao ni iyang position. Nasya sa 0, no? At the origin on a straight road. After some time, so probably it's a one direction nga problem, kay straight lang ang road. After some time, its position satisfies the equation nga kani. X squared is equal to 100. And remember, usahay, dili ginahatag sa problem, but when we talk about position, pwede ta moingon nga meters gyud atong unit ani. Okay, the standard unit of displacement is meter. Now, the car is known to be at the west of the origin. We will be taking this clue here, west of the origin. So we have west in our Cartesian plane. This is north, south, east, and west. And west pertains to negative. So kani, klaro. Sa kaning point in time, ang position sa atuang car is at this equation na to, x squared is equal to 100. So, atong buhaton lang ani, let's find the position. Okay? So, find x, which is the position, no? Final position, to be exact. Gikan siya sa origin, at some point in time, naabot siya ani nga position. So, dali lang. Ang buhaton na to is, let's copy the equation, and then let's get the square root. Tapos we can cancel this square root here. Then copy x. Then square root of 100. That's gonna be 10. Positive or negative. Okay, remember, we're not finding the magnitude, but we're dealing with displacement. So, asa kaha, in terms of unit, we can have meters as the standard unit of the displacement. So, asa nga root atong gamiton? Ang principal ba or ang positive or ang negative? Ang car, remember, the car is going west. Nana siya sa west at this position, 10 meters. So west is negative. So our answer should satisfy with the problem. So our answer should be negative 10 meters. Pasabot, padulong siya dito sa west. And like what I've said, you can have 10 meters, or you will not write negative, but make sure that you will put or you will write west here. Okay? So, this is a perfect example kung kano sa tamo gamit og negative root or positive root. Pwede pud na sa kana ganing velocity. Kay ang velocity nato is a vector quantity. So, kailangan niya og magnitude plus direction. So, for example, ni-arrive ta aning wow na to ang velocity sa x exponent, pananglitan lang. Velocity of x, no? Or x exponent sa ato ang velocity natay. Balik ko na nato ang simple na value, 25. Now, to get the square root of that, natay answer nga positive ug negative 5. And the standard unit of our velocity, it's meter per second. Mo na atong unit. Pero asa atong gamiton? Are we going to use the principal square root, or we can consider the negative? Kano sa man ta mo gamit og positive 5 meter per second? If ever that the velocity is going to the right or upward, we can use positive. And then we can use negative 5 meter per second if ever that the velocity or the object is moving to the left or downward. O na, depende sa problem. Okay? So we can use the positive root and the negative root if we are going to find the value of a certain vector variable, like our displacement velocity, or like our displacement velocity and our acceleration. But if ever nga pangitaon gyud nato ang magnitude, ayaw mo kalimot that you will be using the positive root or the principal square root. Okay, that's it for this video. Whatever time you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. Okay, thank you, and see you until next time. Bye for now.